When you search for the best BB guns and airsoft guns, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos that promise the world. But to find what really works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ludex 1600 Speed Loader. Let's kick things off with the Ludex 1600 Large Capacity Airsoft Speed Loader. This nifty tool caught my eye with its hand-crank design and a price tag of just $22.99. If you want to spend less time loading BBs and more time shooting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it solves your problem. It's designed to make loading your M4 M16 magazines a breeze. Each crank loads 10 to 12 BBs in just 5 seconds, which means you can load a full magazine 10 times quicker than doing it by hand. Plus, it holds about 1,600 rounds of 6 BBs, making it perfect for those long shooting sessions. With over 1,200 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, this speed loader has proven itself among airsoft enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. Less time loading translates to more time honing your shooting skills. Now, some users complained about it being tricky to adjust the bolt for different magazine types. Here's the thing though, with the included mini wrench, it's manageable, and once you get it set, it works seamlessly. This is perfect for you if you frequently play airsoft and want to maximize your shooting time. Skip this one if you're using different types of magazines that aren't compatible with M4 M16 models. At just $22.99, it's a great investment for any airsoft player. Now, if the potential adjustments bothered you, the next product might actually be even better for quick loading. Product number 2, KNINE Outdoors Shooting Target. Next up is the KNINE Outdoors Resetting Shooting Target, priced at $17.97. If you're looking for a solid target setup that can take a beating, this one's definitely worth considering. Here's why it solves your problem. This target is built from high-grade steel and is designed to withstand shots from .22 and .177 caliber guns. Plus, the resetting feature means you can keep shooting without having to walk back and reset it manually. With over 1,100 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its durability and performance. Now, I did notice some feedback regarding the target's stability on windy days. While it's designed with sturdy legs and a ground brace, it can still wobble in strong winds. But honestly, if you're shooting in calm conditions, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a target that's easy to set up and reset during your shooting sessions. Skip this if you're often shooting in high winds or need a more stationary target. At under $20, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something that's even more portable, let's check out the next product. Product number 3, Atfulbox BB Gun Trap. Moving on, we've got the Atfulbox BB Gun Trap, priced at $19.99. This caught my attention because it combines a bullet catcher with paper targets, making it a versatile choice for any shooting enthusiast. Here's why it solves your problem. This trap is made with an all-metal design that collects spent BBs for easy cleanup, which means you won't be left with a mess after your session. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use and comes with 50 paper targets to keep your shooting interesting. With a 4.5-star rating from 830 reviews, users love its practicality. However, some users mention that the paper targets can tear easily if hit too hard. Here's the thing though, they're paper targets, so having extras included is a great bonus and they're perfect for practice. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective way to practice shooting indoors or outdoors. Skip this if you're looking for something more permanent for outdoor ranges. For $19.99, it's a great deal for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something that mixes fun and practice, wait until you see the next product. Product number 4, Ludex Airsoft Speed Loader. Next on the list is the Ludex Airsoft Speed Loader, retailing for just $6.99. This was a pleasant surprise for its price, and if you want quick loading for your airsoft pistol mags, this is a must-see. Here's why it solves your problem. This loader can hold up to 100 rounds of 6 BBs and allows you to load about 4 BBs per push, making the process 10 times quicker than loading by hand. It's compact, lightweight, and fits easily in your pocket, which is perfect for on-the-go airsoft enthusiasts. With a 4.4-star rating from 819 reviews, it's clear that many find it handy. Some users found it a bit flimsy compared to heavier models. But honestly, for the price and portability, it's a trade-off I'm willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly portable loader that still gets the job done. Skip this if you're someone who prefers a more robust loading system. At $6.99, you can't really go wrong. Now, if you're searching for a target that adds a bit of excitement to your practice, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5, ATFLBOX Swing Shooting Target. Last but not least, we have the ATFLBOX Metal Swing Shooting Target stand for $29.97. This caught my eye for its fun design and ease of use. Here's why it solves your problem. This target features 6 swinging plates that reset automatically after being hit, so you can keep firing without any interruptions. With a 4.4-star rating from 233 reviews, many users appreciate how it enhances their training experience. Now, some users did express concerns about the target bouncing back too much with powerful shots. But here's the thing, if you follow the 500 FPS recommendation, it works great. This is perfect for you if you enjoy dynamic shooting practice that keeps you engaged. Skip this if you plan to use higher-powered airsoft guns. At $29.97, it's worth every penny for a fun practice session. So to wrap things up, we covered the Ludex 1600 speed loader for efficient loading, the KNINE Outdoors resetting target for versatile practice, the ATFLBOX BB gun trap for easy cleanup, the Ludex Airsoft speed loader for budget-friendly portability, and the ATFLBOX Swing Shooting Target for dynamic training. Each of these options has its strengths, and depending on what you're looking for, you can't go wrong with any of them.